Hello everyone, this is KeToMi Poppy and you're watching another episode of KeToMi Recipes. Today we're going to be making my favorite wings of all time. It's the big game today and we're going to be making some honey garlic chicken wings, and these are going to be oven baked. So first what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and get your wings, go ahead and wash and make sure that they're dry and ready to go. The breading that we're going to be using for this is going to be a combination of almond flour, coconut flour, Parmesan cheese. The seasonings that we're going to be starting off with are onion powder, white pepper powder, some ground mustard powder, some baking powder, and some garlic powder. Found that this method using the oven is going to be probably the most beneficial to most people. A lot of people don't like to use the deep fryer. In some cases, I understand why people will be afraid of it, but we're going to be doing this in the oven, but this can also be done in the air fryer. So let's get started. I do want to apologize here. I did hit the camera and I didn't even see how bad that the camera was shaking until while I was editing it. So I want to apologize for the shaking. Please don't get a headache. So what I did here is I drizzled about a tablespoon of olive oil. I also am using about a half tablespoon of onion powder. I'm also going to be using about the same measurement for the rest of these seasonings here. This is the white pepper powder. I'm also going to be using maybe a little less of the ground mustard powder. It looks like I'm shaking a bit more than usual, but that's because it was a brand new bottle, and you know how it is when you're trying to get the new seasonings to come out. It takes a little bit longer. Um, so I used some garlic powder, about the same measurement on the garlic powder. I usually do eyeball, but I've been cooking a long time, so I do know these measurements. So about a half a tablespoon of that garlic powder and about a pinch of salt. This is about 12 to 13 wings, so I didn't want to use too much salt because we're going to get most of our flavor from the sauce. And then we're going to be adding our baking powder. This is going to give us some additional crisp to our meal. I am going to be adding one egg whisk. That is one egg. You don't need lots of egg. This is optional. If you don't want to use egg, you can just use a little bit more oils just so you can make sure that your batter sticks to your wings. But I'm using one egg here, and this is going to help seal my breading together, and you're just going to get that in mix. What you're looking at here is the breading, which is the almond flour, the coconut flour, the Parmesan cheese, some onion powder, and some garlic powder. We're going to get all of that into our bowl here. And we're going to go ahead and prepare our breading station. On my right side, I have a cooking rack that is properly placed down with a foil sheet for proper cleaning. We're going to just go ahead and get our wings here, and we're gonna take our time and try to get these wings nice and breaded here. This is a time process here. You want to make sure that you don't rush this, so you'll get every crack and crevice properly coated. So and you don't want to get both of your gloves in one or the other, so you probably want to use one hand for the breading and the other hand to get the wings out of the bowl. So you just take your time, bread your wings, and place them on your cooling rack, and we'll get ready for cooking. So right here we have our wings breaded and ready to go. You're going to be getting your oven preheated to 400 degrees, and we're going to be cooking these at 20 minutes on each side. So right here, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be preparing our sauce. This is Kerrygold's grass-fed butter. It's a very popular butter. We have a lot of wings here, so I do have about I would say about a half cup of butter here. I probably needed more, but I have a half cup of butter here. That was about 5 cloves of garlic, fresh garlic to be exact. I'm using some ginger paste here, and right here I'm using some um, urethral honey. This is a keto honey. It's very, 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 very good. Tastes very identical to honey. I'll leave a link of this in the description below if you guys having trouble finding it. I'm also using some Swerve brown sugar. I mean, this stuff is just perfect. So I'll leave a link for that one as well, but you can find it on Amazon. Excuse me. So we're gonna give this sauce a mix here, and once your wings are finished cooking, you're basically done here. And here's the final product, guys. This is the honey garlic chicken wings that were oven fried. I garnished with some cilantro. Guys, if you guys like this video, like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell so you won't miss another video. I make recipes like this all the time. I hope you guys enjoy. Until next time, bye-bye.